Okay, let's find the missing angles here. We have 4 of them. We have 2 parallel lines. I'm going to mark those as parallel. And we have 2 triangles. We have some vertical angles. That angle and that angle are vertical. This angle is vertical to that angle. We've got some more vertical angles here, and even more here, and some more here. There's a lot to choose from in here. Okay. Parallel lines means we have some alternate exterior corresponding, etc. In fact, let's do a quick little roundup here. This angle has to be congruent to that angle because they are corresponding. So this is 74. This is 74 because of vertical angles. And what else do we know? Well, these are vertical angles. This has to be 129. Okay. Now, I want you to notice that these 3 angles are linear. They make up a line. In other words, 82 plus whatever that one is, let's call it x, plus 74. Together those make 180. 82 plus 74 is 156. I take away 156 from both sides, and I get 24. So this is 24. What else do we know here? I've been putting off using triangles. Notice these two, once we find one of these, the other one will follow from that because they are alternate exterior angles. Now, what we can do that's really easy here is we can notice that that's 74, and then because these are a linear pair, well, what's 180 minus 129? 51. So this angle right here is 51. Now, inside this triangle, I have 2 known angles and 1 missing angle. Well, how can I find that angle? Use the triangle angle sum theorem. 51 plus 74 plus the unknown, let's call him theta for now, is 180. 51 plus 74 is 125. And so theta equals 55. So this is 55 right here. This is congruent, it's 55. And this is 55, and we're done.